Hi, we know how hard it can be to find quality vegan food when you're out and about in a different city. So here we've got a quality vegan chili for you to make back at your Roomzzz Aparthotels. So first job is we're going to get the long grain rice to boil. So pan of boiling water, throw the rice in, touch of salt if you got it, not essential, and let that cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Now, if you can find microwavable rice at the local convenience store, then whatever suits you, but I'm going with this for today. Okay, so the rice is on. Now we're going to throw in the vegetables, the chopped tomatoes, the kidney beans and the chilli into a pan and let that boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. I appreciate you don't want to be taking home half a courgette and half a carrot, so we're using a bag of already sliced vegetables to throw in the pan to make it nice and simple and reduce waste as much as possible. So there we have it, a wonderfully tasty and aromatic vegan chili, perfect to make back at any Roomzzz Aparthotels. I really want to see your pictures of you making this back at the room.